What's up, everyone? This is Donald with ComputeHub, a public cloud computing company with a focus on providing low-cost, easy-to-use CPU and GPU cloud computing and infrastructure as a service. If you haven't checked us out yet, check out our website, ComputeHub.io. If you sign up, all new users receive a free trial credit to try out our ComputeHub platform with no obligations, and you don't need a credit card to get that free trial credit. So go over there and check us out. There is a link to our website in our description as well. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to reset your SSH key and your instance password. These are two common things that I need to do if I forget my password on my instance, or if I, for instance, want to change my SSH key. This is the process how to do it. It's super simple and easy. So we'll start off with the first one, which we'll go over how to reset your instance password. So your instance password is generated when you create your instance within ComputeHub. If you need help with that process, I will link a video that explains how to make a simple instance creation in the description below. But from here, we'll go ahead and go over to look at our instances, which you'll go over to the left navigation screen, click on Compute, then Instances, and you'll see all of your instances that you have either running or they could be in stop state. Basically, you just haven't destroyed them. They're available to you. So for this example, with my CPU demo instance, I'm going to go ahead and reset my password because I don't remember it and I need it to get into my instance. So first thing you need to do is you need to stop your instance, and to do that you go over here to the little dots, and we're going to go over to the option that says stop instance. Just click confirm and give it a second here to stop the instance. Alright, once it's stopped, go ahead and go back to your and you'll see an option here to reset password. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's going to ask if you want to confirm this. This will reset the password for the root user as well as the default user. So I'm going to click OK, and it'll show it resetting the password. And as soon as it's done, you'll see your new password come up here on the top right. Make sure you write this down so that you don't lose it. And that's it. So now we can go ahead and start our instance up again, and we'll just verify that that password's working. So once it's up and running, you want to go to your console. It's the quickest way to access your instance. I have another video about how to get in here to the console. I'll link that in the description below. We just need to wait for our instance here to load up. Alright, once we get the login flashing here, we're going to go ahead and put our login, which is Ubuntu for this instance, and then our new password. And if you typed it in correctly, you'll be able to get in. So super simple. You can do this as many times as you want. Basically, just the steps are stop your instance, reset your password, start it up again. You'll be able to use that new password. Alright, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and reset the SSH key. If you want to see which SSH key you currently have attached to your instance, if you drill down into the instance you want to look at by clicking on the name, and if you scroll down, you'll see here SSH key pair. It'll show you the SSH key that's currently attached to this instance. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my instance, and again, similar to the password reset, you need to shut off your instance in order to reset SSH. Alright, once it's stopped, Similar process, you'll go to your dots here and you'll scroll all the way over to the option that says reset SSH key pair, and it'll ask you which SSH key pair you want to use. And again, these have to be already uploaded into the ComputeHub platform. If you need help uploading your SSH keys, I'll link a description in the description of video for how to do that as well. So go ahead and put SSH. I'm going to switch my SSH key pair to this other one here and click OK. And it'll just take a few seconds. And once you got the green check mark, you're ready to restart your instance. All right, and you're up and running. So to see this as an example, just to double check it works, if you're going to pull up your favorite SSH terminal, I like to use PuTTy. I do have a video on how to configure and set up PuTTy and how to use ComputeHub with it. I'll link that in the description below as well. But I'm going to go ahead and pull up PuTTy here. And then I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have the right new SSH key attached to it, which I do. So I'm going to go ahead and open. And the login again is Ubuntu if you are currently using an Ubuntu iOS. And you'll see here that it authenticated that public key and it got us in. So that's it. So, two processes, overall pretty straightforward. If you have any questions or any feedback, comments, please leave them in the comments below. Appreciate you watching the video. If you like these tutorials, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And thanks again, and look forward to seeing you next time.